Talk to me.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. Sis, I feel like I have reviewed a lot of ginger units. This is another ginger unit that I'll be reviewing today slash doing an install. This unit is from Amazon, from the company Beauty Forever, so I will have them linked in the description box below. Sis, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? I do hair videos, I do fashion videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the gang, as well hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video that I post. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Amazon from the company Beauty Forever, and it came in this cute box right here, and it says Merry Christmas. How cute. And it is Christmas Eve while I'm recording this, but you're not going to see it until after Christmas, but I think it is so cute. It came with a Christmas box. So inside of the box is the wig itself. We have a cute Christmas card. How cute is that? As well as a stocking, very cute and festive. And then we have a little baggie, and I already took the things out of the baggie, which is right here. We have a wig cap, some lashes, as well as a scarf. So putting all of this back in, let's go ahead and open up the unit. Girl, don't you hate the static? Like, it never just wants to let you live. Okay, anyway, so this is the unit, you guys, a ginger unit. I feel like I've already done so many ginger units and you just cannot have enough. Like, girl, I'm in love. So the color is very pretty. This is a T-part unit, a 4x4 T-part unit to be exact. And you guys can see in the inside the T-part. And then it has two combs on the side, and then one comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. So far, you guys, we are looking and feeling very nice. I'm not going to tint the lace just because the tracks and stuff, I kind of feel like it'll be pointless. If you want to, you can, but I'm not going to. So yes, sis, we're going to just go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by putting on my wig cap. If you're new here, I do not do the bald cap method. I just put my wig cap on and then I put the unit on, as you see me doing right here. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer to seal in the spray. Now I'm going to tint my lace, and I'll be using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just putting that powder all along the hairline. Then I'll be going in with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it for a second time, creating the perfect melt. to straighten out my part a little bit and then go in using my hot comb, and this is just to flatten out the part and to style up the front. Now for my baby hairs, I'm just going to pull some hair out on the sides and then cut them. And then after that, I'll be using my little teeny flat iron to curl them up. And to lay them down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. For styling, I'll be using my Fructis serum. Y'all, this serum is so bomb if you guys haven't heard me say it already. But I'm just distributing that throughout the hair. It creates shine and eliminates frizz. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in and start to curl up my hair. I'll be wand curling this just to go with the pattern of the hair because your girl is being lazy right now. So yeah. Okay, sis, so here is what we are looking like, and honey, I think we are looking really good. The curls are popping, the color is bomb. So yes, sis, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. Okay, sis, so that was the back. So let me just say this. Don't talk crap because I did not touch that back at all. Your girl was being super lazy. I did not feel like curling the back. I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, I just kind of just did the little curl pattern that the unit came in the front and called it a day. So now that we got that disclaimer out of the way, let me go ahead and pull it up on my phone and tell you what we have. Again, this is from the Amazon site from Beauty Forever, and on the site it says that this is Beauty Forever's 88J ginger orange color lace part unit. It's 20 inches. It's a T-part lace closure wig with a middle part. It says burnt fall hair color and 150% density. So sis, This unit is big hair friendly. I didn't struggle to put it on or anything like that, so that is always a plus. The texture of the hair is really soft, you guys. You can run your fingers straight through it. It's really full. Like, I'm really shocked that it's 150% density, because it almost feels like it's 180 because it's not thin. It's really like a full unit. But I mean, it says 150%, but let's trust and believe, girl, you're gonna get your money's worth because it feels thicker. Again, you can run your finger straight through it. I didn't receive any tangling nor shedding. But again, you guys, I didn't comb it or anything like that. I just finger combed it. And with finger combing it, I didn't receive any strands or anything like that. The lace, y'all, I think the lace melted really good. Again, I didn't pre-tint this lace, just given the fact that it's a T-part unit and you can see the tracks and stuff. I just think it would be a waste of products. If you want to, you can, but sis, I'm not wasting any products. That's why I tinted the lace after I put it on, and I think it looks really good. I think it melted really good as well. Another thing that I liked about this unit is that with some T-part units, they have like that hump right there, given the fact that the tracks are there, so you can feel the tracks. On this one, it lays flat, and girl, when I say I love a T-part unit that just lays flat and you can't feel the tracks, like, I just really love that. So I love that it melted and laid just flat like that. It looks really good. I did off camera put some concealer down the part. With fair hair color units, you kind of can't really tell that I did that, but I used the lightest concealer that I had, which was Cool Ivory. It's almost like white. But yes, sis, I think overall it looks really good. So yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.